Are you having problems that Instagram Music is not showing all of the songs and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly is that I closed my Instagram app, and instead what I did after that is that I went into the settings app on my phone, and now on my settings app I just scrolled down in here and I clicked on general. So on the general page, I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage right here. Now I just swiped up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search for Instagram here as you can see, and now you should be taken to this page. Now on this page, I just clicked on upload app, and once again, I clicked on upload app in here. I waited a couple of seconds after that. So we're just going to keep waiting until we can see where it says reinstall app, basically. So as you can see now it says reinstall app, so we can click on it. So basically the reason why you might not be able to see all of the songs is because they're not yet added on the older version. So by doing this, you're going to update your Instagram app to its absolute latest version, and even more songs hopefully will be able to be like released to you then. So try this, go back, and hopefully this is going to be able to fix it for you as well.